So guys, for the first method, you want to restart Discord. So in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow. Now you want to find Discord, just right click on it, and then click on quit Discord. Now you want to open it up again. See if that works for you. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up, the network and internet troubleshooter. If it detects any problems with your network, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. For the next method, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. See if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. And then click on enter again. Now you just want to restart your computer. And hopefully this will not fix your problem.